Today, I am going to build a barn out of Legos to show y'all all the farm animals on a farm. And you will learn the names and all about what they do on the farm. First, we gotta build this barn. Let's build it. Have some pieces for some grass out in front of the barn. Add a red piece right here. Another red piece on this side. There we go. Build it up. Got these two walls right here. Now I'm gonna add this window right here. And this window right here. We're gonna stack these little blocks up high. We can count them as we do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more after 10 is 11. Put it right there. Now we gotta make another white pillar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and one more after 10 is 11. Let me put this guy right here. We got these two long bricks. We're gonna put one here. One right here. Then we're gonna take some more red bricks. We're gonna put them on top of there. Okay, here we go. We're gonna put a little red brick on the end right here. Some little bit longer red bricks right here. Little red brick on the end. Now we got to put the roof on. Whoop. And oof. There we go. Let's put it right there. Here is our barn. is our barn. Now, we're gonna see what animals come out of my barn. Who's that? It's a horse. Horses make a sound like this. Yay! There is my horse. He can run, gallop. There's my horse. Put him right there. Here's a real horse. Horses help farmers plow their fields so they can grow plants for food. Let's see what other animals live on a farm. Hello. What animal is this? It's a cow. Cows make a sound like this. Moo, moo. Can you make a noise like that? It's a fun noise to make. There's my cow. It has spots on it. My cow's brown, but cows, excuse me, but cows come in lots of different colors. There's my cow. Here are some real cows. There's a baby cow. A baby cow's called a calf. And he's with his mom. Cows can give us milk to drink, or they can give us food to eat, such as beef and hamburgers. Those are all the things a cow can do. Let's put him with his friend, the horse. Alright, here is Mr. Cow. Let's put him next to his friend, the horse. What other animals live on a farm? We got a horse, a cow. Who's gonna come out next? Hello! What animal is this? It's a pig. Pigs make a noise like this. Oink, oink, oink. And sometimes piggies snort like this. That's a silly sound. There's my piggy. Here are some real pigs. Big pigs, baby pigs. A mama pig is called a sow. And male pig, daddy pig, is called a boar. A baby pig is called a piglet. Pigs give us food. Meat called pork or bacon. That's what pigs do. Here's a little baby pig. Here's a piglet. Isn't he cute? He's so adorable. Let's put him with his friends. There's Mr. Piggy. We have a horse, a cow, and a pig. Let's see who else lives on a farm. Hello. What animal is this? It's a sheep. Sheeps make this sound. Bah, bah, bah. Can you make that sound? sheeps are soft. Another word for a sheep for one sheep is called a lamb. Here are some real sheep. A whole bunch of sheep is called a flock. Aren't they cute? They have soft coats called wool. So we'll put my little lamb with his friends. And there's our little sheep. So we have a horse, a cow, a pig, and a sheep. Let's see who else lives on the farm. Hello! What animal is this? It's a duck. Ducks go quack, 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 quack. I have a white duck, but there's lots of different colors a duck could be. They have webbed feet that help them swim in the water. Here are some real ducks on a farm. These are baby ducks. Baby duck is called a duckling. Look at them go. They must be hungry. Now they've ate. Looks like it's time for a nap. Good night, little duckies. Here they come again. Ducks are so silly and cute. Time for a drink. Here's a big duck swimming in the water. Looks like you found some geese to talk to. Hi, Goose. Let's put him with the rest of his farm friends. Here is my little duck. Let's put him right here. We have a horse, a cow, a duck, a pig, and a sheep. Let's see who else lives on the farm. Hello. What animal is this? It is chicken. Chicken. I have a white chicken, but there's lots of different colors a chicken could be. Let's put her with her friends. Here comes the chicken. The chicken makes this kind of noise. Bark, 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 bark. I forgot to mention what noise they make. but a chicken makes that sound. Can you make that sound? Let's put my chicken with her friends. Here are some real chickens. These are baby chickens. A baby chicken is called a chick. Look how cute they are. Looks like they're sleepy. Here's a mama chicken. A girl chicken is called a hen. Hello, mama hen. And a daddy chicken is called a rooster. Listen to him crow. I have a horse, a cow, a chicken, a duck, a pig, and a sheep. These are all the animals that live on a farm. Now we have to go inside my barn and put the animals to bed so they can take a nap, go to sleep. Let's go inside. All right, we're inside. We have to put the animals back in their bed. Let's start with Mr. Duck. Quack, quack, quack. Where does it go? Right here. Matching right with the duck. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Now, let's put another animal in its bed. Let's take my little lamb here. Find the place for a sheep. It goes right here. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Got our duck and our sheep in their bed. Let's see. Let's grab a cow. Come here, cow. Moo, moo. Let's put the cow. Right here. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. We got 3 animals left. Let's take our chicken. Quack, 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 quack. Here's the chicken spot. Remember how I said name for a girl chicken is hen? Well, this is what this word says. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Alright, we have 2 farm animals left to put to bed. Let's put Mr. Horse in his bed. Yay! We only have 2 spots Mr. Horse could go. Not there. Right here in the middle goes Mr. Horse. Do you see where it says horse? Oh, here it is, right next to his smiley face. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Alright, now the only animal left to put to bed is our pig. his spot. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. Now they're all gonna go to sleep. Good night, animals. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.